See, if you look at the overall HDFC Bank movement, it is consolidating for quite some time. But I'm optimistic it's going to give a very strong positive breakout. We have seen a double bottom formation and the neckline is around 1420. So I'm expecting that the stock can give a breakout and we can then head towards the level of 1480, which will also fill the gap. So my target for HDFC Bank is 1480. On the downside, important support for this stock is around 1360 level.
All right. So
yes, absolutely. After a long time, we are seeing such a huge bullish candle formation on Sun TV over here, which has taken out the very strong resistance of around 450 levels also. And there is a possibility from here on we move towards the level of 530, which is the previous pivot high. So I'm expecting Sun TV to move towards 530. Looking good at the current levels. We saw huge volumes with the gains, and that is a positive sign. And also the stop loss on the downside can be kept at 440. Yes, absolutely. See, after gaining, we can clearly see over past 2 3 also consolidating. So it relieved its overbought state, and I think it is again poised to go up from here on. And we can expect it, the stock should touch the levels of around 750 on the upside. In this kind of a market where we are seeing some pressure building up over past 2 days, this stock is managing to outperform. So 750 is the target for Shobha. On the downside, I'm keeping a close support at 650 levels. No, actually, I'm looking forward to sell Infosys, given that we saw a pullback, but look at the fall that we are seeing currently. 3%, more than 3% down on this stock right now. And it's also moving below its 20 and 10 days, both the averages, the volumes they have picked up, which means there is selling pressure in the stock, which is also putting pressure on the overall index. So I would be looking for selling opportunity over short term in Infosys as long as 1500 level is intact on the upside, and we can expect it to move towards 1380 on the downside. So it's going to be on the buy side. I'm not going to go against a speeding car, I can say that, because the trend on the upside is very strong in this. We can clearly see it's touching 52 weeks high, and it's not stopping here. There is absolutely no divergence also on the indicators, which indicates the overall momentum is still intact. So I'll be considering for buying the stock, use any dips as a buying opportunity. We can expect the stock to touch 3800 levels, and the support on the downside is going to be around 3300. See, look at the volumes of this stock today. It's huge. It's humongous. If you compare it to in the past entire year, this is the highest volume we are seeing in single day so far. So, and it has shown a very strong breakout on the upside. I think it's going to go towards the level of 14,500 on the upside positionally. And on the downside, the support for this stock is going to be somewhere around the zone of 12,500. So as long as 12,500 is intact, I'm expecting its stock to cross above 14,500 levels.